Hi, I'm Nick Redding, the President and CEO of Preservation Maryland, and I'm excited to announce for this Giving Tuesday a new program that we'll be launching in 2022. It's a program focused on youth leadership. We're looking to train the next generation of historic preservationists in cemetery maintenance, care, and preservation. This is a pipeline for preservation, a way for us to connect the dots between our various programs and help protect, restore, and maintain vitally important places on our Maryland landscapes. Starting early this year so that we can tell you all about this important work and how we're hoping to engage young adults in the work that we do to save these important places all across the state. This is Preservation for Good. I hope that we can count on you for support this Giving Tuesday of this new, innovative youth leadership cemetery preservation program. Head to presidentd.org/givingtuesday to help make your gift today.